Welcome. Now we will learn about multiplication of indices with the same base. So if the number is given 2 raised to 4 multiplied with 2 raised to 3. So we know how to write this in multiplication form. So we will write in the multiplication form 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. 2 raised to 4 is written in this form. And here it is written as 2 into 2 into 2. So if you count total, so see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 2 raised to 7. Oh, so how we got it? So you can write, we can write like this: 2 raised to 4 multiply with 2 raised to 3. So 2 is common, so we will write 2, and here 4 plus 3, so it will become 2 raised to 7. This way we can do. Now, if A is any rational number, therefore we can write if A is any rational number and M and N are positive integers, then we can write A raised to M into A raised to N, that we can write A raised to M plus N. So by this formula we can solve. We have solved, we got the same formula. Here 2 is the A and this is M and this is N. So we will solve the exercise now. That is practice set 27. Question, it is given simplify. So we will solve it. So here if you see 7 is common. So we will write 7 and 4 plus 2. So answer is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. So answer is 7 raised to 6. What we have used? Because A raised to M into A raised to N is equal to A raised to M plus N. Okay, this is the formula. Next one, here base are same. So we will write that is equal to negative 11, 5 plus 2. So it will become negative 11, 5 plus 2, it is 7. Next it is given 6 by 7 raised to 3, 6 by 7 raised to 5. So here base is common, 6 by 7, 3 plus 5. So answer is 6 by 7, 3 plus 5, it is 8. Now next it is given, here base are same. So again we can write negative 3 by 2, 5 plus 3. So answer is negative 3 by 2, 5 plus 3, it is 8. Now next it is given A raised to 16, and here base is again same. So we can write A 16 plus 7. So A 16 plus 7, the value is 23. So A raised to 23. Now if we will see the next one, it is given P by 5 raised to 3 into P by 5 raised to 7. So we can write base is same. So P by 5, 3 plus 7. So it will become P by 5, 3 plus 7, it is 10. So here we have completed practice set 27. Next class we will meet with the new topic.